Kevin, and this is a first choice production video for instructional setup. So we're gonna do Print2RDP setup on this computer. This is an application that will bridge printers to the cloud. So it could be a bridge for Metasoft or IMS application. So first we're gonna open up a browser and download the software from the website. So we're gonna go to metasoft911.com, and this will redirect to the website. That's gonna be firstchoiceit.com. And from the website you click on the downloads here, and from the downloads you will be able to see as well different kind of applications. So from the applications we're gonna select Print2RDP client, and this will download a file. So once it's downloaded, you can click on that file here, and that will let us set up the Print2RDP. So we're gonna click on next here, and then accept to the terms and agreement. Click on next. This is where the destination will be placed for the files. You just click on next on this one. We don't need to configure anything on that part. Okay, and from here, this window, we will be able to select what printers we can assign to the server, added on the server, so that when we print, it will be available for us to print it to. So for example, we're gonna select this printer and add it, and as you see here on the drop down, you will be able to set it as a default. So if you have multiple printers added, you can select which printer are default, and then if ever you need to print from a different printer, you can select on the server. Okay, and you just click on next here, and then finish.